Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you how a simple channel is making over $5,000 a month. If you watch this video full, you will get to know how you can start your own similar channel and so that you can start making similar income within few months. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then it is all about money making tips, digital marketing, becoming an entrepreneur, how to start your journey from home and leave 9 to 5 job, and also I will show you different case studies here. So if you are interested in those things, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get notified when I create new videos for you. Before starting today's topic, if you want to make money online from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned the link in the description box below. This is the system which I have used and learned all those skills which helped me to make money online. When I have started out with this platform, I was totally a beginner just like you, and these are the results just because of using this system, training and tools. You can join it as a free member and see what is inside. So let's get started. The name of this channel is Natural Remedies, and this channel has over 6,27,381 subscribers. Just if you want to move to the About section, you will get to know that the channel was created on 5th May 2014 and it has received 56 million views. So now let's look at the stats of this channel and how much money this channel is making. Just copy the channel name and move to a website that is socialblade.com. It is actually an analytics site that shows us about the YouTube channel, its income, estimated income and other things. So just paste that channel name here. So just choose the channel, like this is the channel, Natural Remedies, select channel, and you will see that it has over 600,000 subscribers and 484 videos has been uploaded on this channel. So just look at the income potential. Estimated monthly earning $7.2 thousand, $448 to $7.2 thousand. As per my experience, you can just take the average and you can just look at the estimated yearly income at $86,000 plus 86 plus 5.4, $91,000. Just take the average divided by 2. So this channel is earning nearly $45,000 a year, even more than this. As per my experience, this channel is earning more than this income. So just you can divide it by 12. So as per the stats shown here on the Social Blade, this channel is earning $3,800 a month. But if you are working on a YouTube channel, then you knew that then the average earning on Social Blade is not as accurate, but even channels are earning more than this. So you can expect that this channel is earning nearly $5,000 a month, and with only 484 videos, and the videos are very simple. I am going to show you how you can create such simple videos. So just look at the few steps. The first step is you need to write article or script for your video. Let's suppose you are writing a script about how to lose belly fat. So just write 500 words article on your own. If you do not want to write your own, then you can hire a writer. There are even different platforms out there like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, SEO Clerks and many more. Still, if you do not have the money and you do not write your own article, then just move to the Design articles. It is an article directory website and you can get articles for free here. Just choose your category like health and fitness and you can select your subcategory. Let's suppose health and fitness. Seven medical benefits, urgent care, stay fit, achieve big. So let's suppose you have chosen this article. Just take this article, and the only thing that you need to care about while using design article is while using their articles, you need to give credit to those authors in your video or in the description box. So you would be safe because they allowed you to use their articles, but you need to give authors credit. So let's suppose you have chosen this article and all you need is to record your voiceover on this article. If you have a good voice, or even if you have a, you can record your voiceover on your own by screen or by voice recording software or simply using your mobile phone, then you can easily record your voiceover. If you are not comfortable at recording your own voiceover, you can use free text-to-speech softwares. Just move to the Google and type text-to-speech voices or text-to-speech softwares. I have just opened up a site that is from text2speech.com. Just paste your script here, like I just paste this script here. And select language, different type of voices out there, and select speed, medium, create audio file. Just click on create audio file. So let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes and this software will generate an audio file for you that will be the voiceover, and your next step is to move to a software or to move to a platform that is lumen5.com. Even there are different softwares out there. You can use Camtasia, Lumen 5. There is another software that is wave.video, and literally there are tens of hundreds of such platforms out there which you can use and create your own video. Even you can use PowerPoint, and PowerPoint you can output your PowerPoint presentation in the form of a video and you will get a video here. Even on Lumen 5 you can, if you do not want to add your voiceover, then it is all fine for you. But if you want to add your voiceover, then the step is you need to create video from Lumen 5 and then add that video on a video editor like Camtasia, and then add that voiceover on your video, and you will get an output in the form of a video that will contain the video and the voiceover. But if you do not want to use voiceover, just click on Lumen 5. Once you create an account, you will see something like that. You can paste your article link here, or you can paste your text here. So just suppose I paste my article here, click on go, choose your video format, like I am creating video for YouTube, choose a theme. Let's suppose I have chosen this theme. Now you will see that your script are on the left hand side of your screen, and just click on no clear board and you will add manually one by one. Just click on every line, it will automatically add on the right side of your screen. So that's how you can create different slides. And the beauty of this software is that it will automatically add images and videos based on the text you have added. Like if you have added the fitness text, then it will automatically add images or videos related to that text. So if you just click on preview, you can preview the slide. You can even place the position of the change the position of the text, like text you can convert into the quote. No text, you can make it a title so it become more bigger. You can even change the position of the text, like if you want to show it in the lower middle, then it will be shown here. And also the next slide, just preview this. Change the text position, you can change it here, you can change it here. You can even make a sub slide here, and now your slides will be ready. Even if you see that the picture or videos that are not matching with your text, just click on media and find images or videos related to your text, like push-ups. Click on the filter, you can find videos, photos. Don't click on editorial, just paste your videos here. Just paste your videos here, and now let's preview it. So now you can see that these are push-ups added to your video. Once you have completed your all video, just click on preview and you can preview your video. So once you are finished with this setup, you can click on save and click on finish. It will start rendering your video, and within 20 to 30 minutes you will download your videos. The same software like Lumen 5, you can use wave.video, but keep remember, if you are using the free plan, like just move to the Lumen 5. There are different plans out there. Maybe I am not going to show here. With Lumen 5 you can use different plans. There are free plans as well. With Lumen 5 you can use free plans, and there are paid plans as well. And with the wave.video you can also use the free plans and the premium plans. Like if you click on pricing option, just see that free plan $0 per month, high quality, you can render it at 720 pixels up to 15 seconds, and there are other limited options as well. Creator plan and the business plan has two plans, pro and agency. So if you can afford, I recommend you to buy the premium plans, and if you do not afford, then I suggest you to create your videos on Camtasia.com. With Camtasia you can easily create slide based video. If you look at my previous video, I have shown you a video how you can create your simple video on Camtasia.com, on Camtasia. But the beauty of those softwares are Lumen 5 and wave.video. You can just easily create your videos within few minutes. Just add your text here on the story section and just click on the text. It will start getting on the right hand side, becoming in the form of the slides, and automatically import images from the library and videos from the library, and you will get your video ready. You can just set up your video by visiting on the right section like preview, text position, advanced, and your video get ready. If you want to add your outro, you can add your outro here. You can even add your credits here. But if you want to add your voiceover, then after rendering this video from the Lumen 5, you need to use voice editor software, video editor software like Camtasia, Filmora, and then you can add your voiceover there. But still these types of videos are equally good because people can see that these videos are showing you a subtitles here. I hope you like my video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today.